So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jim Francis Izunye, and if this is your first time stopping by, guys, welcome. And if you have been rocking with me for some time, welcome back again, guys. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this real quick, natural hair transformation. Is just really something that you achieve in 20 to 45 minutes, real quick, when you just want to get up and go. So I start off with sectioning my hair into the size that I want. So I take it from front all the way to the back, right? I section my hair in just a straight line from front to the back. So when I'm done doing that, I'm just going to apply some moisturizers on my hair, and then I begin to flat twist. So with this, you're just going to section out a little hair in front, just like you do for a cornrow, but this time around just divide it into two because we are going to be twisting. So with your index finger, you are going to twist like so, but as you go, you're just going to keep grabbing hair from that part you sectioned and keep twisting. With your index finger, you grab and twist. You grab more hair as you go and twist. So guys, this is really quick, this is really simple, anyone can do this. So that's basically it. So I'm just going to let you watch the video. So yeah. So when I get to the end, I'm just going to do the normal 2-strand twist. Yeah, so that's it. There's nothing really difficult in this. So that's what I'm going to do to my entire head, and we go from there. So again, you section a small piece of hair out, and then divide into two, and then start twisting with your index finger. You're going to grab hair and twist. You just grab more hair as you go, and you just keep twisting. So guys, that is all there is to flat twisting. There is nothing like this. Is even if you feel like you can't cornrow, try this. Maybe you'll be able to get it. It's really easy. And guys, this doesn't put any form of tension to your hair, to your scalp, guys. So yeah. So ignore that the back is not looking good because we are still going to take it down, so it's not going to be the like part of the entire process. But like, my hair is short. If I wanted to, ensure a cleaner twist at the back, I was just going to try to section my hair like into smaller sizes, but we'll make it work. So yeah. So guys, this is what my hair looks like, when I was done, putting a little something on my face. Not really makeup, just my, finishing powder. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. But I was almost moved, but that's not the end goal. So I start, unraveling the twist. So I'm not taking it down like all the way to the end. Once I get to the part where I want the fro to start, I stop. So that's basically all I'm doing. I'm just, taking down the twist, but not all the way to the end. I'm not getting to the front. I get to the point where I want the fro to start, I just stop. And sometimes if I feel like, I have, this is going to unravel because it's a twist, I just go ahead and twist it some more so that I will secure it. So that's basically all I'm doing. And guys, please pardon me if my voice doesn't sound so good. I have cold, but I'm getting better already. So yeah, so that's all I'm doing. So when I'm done, I begin to fluff my hair out to just give it some more volume. So yeah, I'm still going to get a comb and try to use a picking comb to pick the root. Well, I'm not combing it out all the way to the end because I love some of this, what I call it, definition. I just love what is going on there. So I'm just going to try to fluff it out a little bit just to give it some volume. So yeah, that's all I'm doing, guys, and that is all there is to it, guys. This didn't even take long. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes to finish like this entire hairdo. So this is what you do when you're out of options, or you just want to do a quick revamp to your hair. You just want to go out there to grab some things, run some errands, whatever it is you want to do, and you just don't want to go out there looking dull with your hair. This is a good option for you. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. So this is what the back of the hair is looking like. you know. Yeah, so I even went ahead to fluff it out even more, you know. So yeah, guys, that is all there is to it. Please stay tuned, guys, because I have a whole lot of exciting content coming your way. So till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay fabulous, and bye.